Hi. Today we're going to be making cookie butter stuffed snickerdoodles. But I have a special guest.
Hello.
My child.
Her younger brother.
Alrighty, let's begin. The first thing we should do is...
wash hands?
Yes! We're making cookies!
Okay, yeah.
Alright, the mixer. We have this fancy one because we're fancy. I'm just kidding. Our mom used to be a cake decorator, so...
Wait, she used to do that?
Yes, when we were a baby.
I thought she just did that as a hobby.
Yeah, but people paid her for her cakes.
Huh. I know we need the Biscoff. I'll grab that.
You need cookie butter for this. We could make basic snickerdoodles, but we're not basic people, so... Oh my god. I hate when a recipe is a whole blog post.
I saw this joke that was like, emails aren't secure. We should hide all government secrets within the story parts of recipes.
Yeah, because nobody's gonna read that part. I don't even know what the recipe is.
Oh,
Here it is.
yeah,
I found it. Okay.
Let's see. You got the cinnamon. I got the cookie butter. Got the cups, the all-purpose flour.
Do we need vanilla?
Yes. Yes, we need vanilla extract. Here we go. Our lovely vanilla extract. 1 cup granulated sugar. Then unsalted butter, softened. Let me just pull it out.
Oh, it's salted. I don't know where this cream of tartar is.
Okay, and then for a second I was like, we don't have cinnamon sugar, but we can just make that ourselves. So all we're missing is the baking soda and cream of tartar.
What even is cream of tartar?
I could find a substitute for cream of tartar.
Yeah.
So the substitute for cream of tartar is also baking powder.
Perfect!
1 teaspoon of baking powder is equal to half a teaspoon of cream of tartar.
How much cream of tartar? I think it's cream of tartar.
No, you're right, because tartar sauce.
Where is the baking soda? Butter and
Wait.
Yeah, that's the one.
No, that's bleach. No.
What kind of cookies you trying to make? What? You moved it. No, I didn't. Why did I throw it away?
All she threw away was expired flour.
Yeah. Yeah, do you know when that flour expired?
Oh.
2017.
Really?
This Lisette, the ex-cake decorator. Oh, wait a minute. You walked right in front of it and I was like...
You have the most one-track mind memory and I love you for it.
What did you do with it? It was right.
No, it wasn't.
No,
The juicer
it wasn't. The juicer was right next to the juicer.
No, it wasn't.
Twas not. Twas not.
We need a better organizational system.
You want to organize stuff?
No, I'm saying we need a better organization system.
You might not have that. If we have it, it was like,
Expired.
yep.
Oh, we found a substitute for cream of tartar.
Oh, is that it?
Or was that the substitute for baking?
What's it substitute?
Yeah, oh, it's
Baking
baking powder.
By the way, can you pass the baking powder, please?
Can you open this? Please.
Here.
Thank you. I'm gonna search for if there's a substitute for baking soda.
No, but we have baking soda. That's the thing.
Yes, and it's a bag that I use all the time.
Another baking soda
I
substitute.
freaking found it!
Oh!
It's just in there. You put it in there then.
Yeah. I didn't put it anywhere. No, I didn't know what that bag was for the longest time.
Flour.
Yes.
Baking soda.
Yes.
Ground cinnamon.
Oh, I thought you were drinking straight vanilla extract.
May I have some?
You look so sleepy.
May I have some, please? Thanks.
That's. Where did you get that vanilla? Oh. What you gonna use?
Yes.
See, you did it too.
She gets it from you.
Salt, but we're using salted butter.
I'm still not too sure.
Sugar and egg, it's fine.
What are you guys making?
Cookies.
Biscuit filled snickerdoodles.
Wow. Let's make the cinnamon sugar first.
Alright.
Actually, first you should preheat your oven to 375 degrees.
That's a good plan.
Relax, be yourself. You're cool. I think you're cool.
Oh, thanks.
I think so too.
Thank you.
Oh wait, mommy, did I put this?
No, you didn't.
Glass ones, right?
I'm sweating.
The United States is the first country now that surpasses China.
Okay. But first off, it's not death, it's cases. Second,
Cases.
Second, you don't have to mention it. We're still filming. I mean,
She can edit.
I know she can edit it out, but you don't need to mention it now.
Okay, let's begin. Finally, 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Three. 1 teaspoon baking soda. 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Just for like a little bit of salt. The butter does have salt, so it can be turned on. There's no salt. Okay. Salt. And wait. Cream of tartar.
Oh.
2 teaspoons. So how many things
2
of baking
teaspoons.
powder?
Oh, I did this 4.
You sure?
I'm gonna double check. 1 teaspoon of baking powder equals half a teaspoon of cream of tartar. So if one equals...
Yeah, okay, I believe you. 1 teaspoon of baking powder equals half of cream of tartar.
Yes.
So we need 4.
Yes.
I have a degree.
I feel like the owl from the...
A 1.
Yes.
A 2.
That's the one.
A 3. 3. You can whisk that. And then set aside. Be gentle. The other camera overheated, so if there's a significant change in quality, that's why. Wait, that is really strong. Do you mind? Don't do that around me.
I'm sorry. I just gotta relieve my neck.
I have permission to leave the room.
Okay, I'm gonna scoot over here. Cause I gotta pop.
You gotta pop.
Yeah, I gotta pop.
This is the part where things can get very messy. We gotta put the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients slowly. We have cookie dough. Oh yes, we like a man in the kitchen. I mean, like, I think it's good.
Some of it separated, so I'm just gonna...
Okay. Enough! Not important. Okay, so if we take one and then split it. I feel like that was not even.
Then make it into a disc.
Yeah. Stuff it with Biscoff. Then.
It said layer the other disc on top of it, right?
Yeah, and then pinch the seams.
If these are good, we gotta make them again. Maybe make them smaller. Sort of looks like an oatmeal cream pie.
Oh no, oh my gosh, I don't think this is right.
I think you used too much Biscoff.
Okay.
Where's Mary Berry when you need her to like...
Mary! She's gonna say, look at that golden colour. It's a good bake. Quite too much filling though.
It's a shame though, the seam is busted.
It's a shame. That's got good flavour. It's a shame though, really.
Satisfying color.
Whoosh. Whoosh. No, Mary Berry says we can't just have filling in the middle. We gotta let it reach to the edges.
You say that like she's like a giant role model that like...
She is a role model.
Oh, no. It's like how little kids go like, well, Iron Man said we should all be nice to each other.
Yeah, Mary Berry said make sure your filling reaches the edges.
Wanna watch some great baking show while we're waiting for this?
Of course. That was the plan the whole time. British baking show or bust.
Or what?
Or bust. Come here.
What's it? Oh, like the freak. Because apparently there's a show called Busted. That's really
Come
good.
here.
They singing?
They're not ready yet. Maybe like 3 minutes.
A few moments later.
They're done.
All right, we got our first massive cookie here. Oh.
You see, we got this dark colour on the edges because it's overbaked. Bit of a shame, but we'll see how it tastes. You can't even see what I did. How he does it.
Yeah, he's always super aggressive.
Oh, you see, we've got some good layers there. Let's look at the others. Oh, beautiful colour. You hear that cooked through. Man, love it. This was the moment that my brother got fired from being my cameraman.